Welcome back to Unboxing Library. Today, we're opening something really exciting, the brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max, in cosmic orange. It's bold, it's bright, and Apple says it's the most powerful iPhone they've ever made. Let's see what's inside. The body is made from strong aluminum, not stainless steel like before, that makes it lighter, but still super tough. Apple added something new, called Ceramic Shield 2 on both sides. It helps protect the phone if you drop it. The back has a soft matte finish, and the camera area shines a little, giving it that pro look. And yes, this cosmic orange finish really stands out, warm, rich, and just different. Perfect if you're tired of plain colors. Okay, camera lovers, this is where things get exciting. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has three big 48-megapixel cameras on the back, one for normal photos, one for wide shots, and one for zoom. You can zoom up to 8 times and still get super clear pictures, thanks to something Apple calls a fusion camera system. Want to take close-ups of a bug or your coffee foam? No problem, it even has macro mode. Videos? They look like mini movies now. You can shoot in 4K HDR or even in ProRes RAW. If you're serious about filming. The front camera got better too, it's 18 megapixels. And can track your face, so you always stay in the frame. This screen is huge, 6.9 inches. It's called a Super Retina XDR display, which means colors look bright, clean, and real. Outside on a sunny day? You can still see everything clearly, it goes up to 3000 nits brightness. And it feels super smooth because it refreshes 120 times per second, perfect for gaming, editing, or just scrolling. Now, this phone isn't just powerful, it lasts a long time. The battery is the biggest ever in an iPhone. You can watch up to 39 hours of video, or scroll for days. And if you need a quick top-up, plug in a fast charger, and in just 20 minutes, it jumps to 50%. It also works with MagSafe wireless charging, so you can snap it right on the pad. All these beautiful photos and videos need space, right? Apple gives you up to 2 terabytes of storage. That's like carrying a tiny hard drive in your pocket. Even the smallest model starts at 256 gigabytes, which is already plenty for most people. Inside, this phone runs on Apple's new A19 Pro chip. It's super fast, perfect for games, photos, and AI apps, and it stays cool, thanks to a special vapor chamber system. That means no overheating, even when you push it hard. So, let's wrap it up. The iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange gives you a color that turns heads. Cameras that make anyone feel like a pro. A battery that lasts forever. Tons of storage. And a screen that's pure eye candy. It's not just a phone, it's a pocket camera, computer, and art piece all in one. If you're thinking about upgrading, this one's hard to resist. What do you think? Would you go for the cosmic orange or another color? If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, so you don't miss my next unboxing and review.